This is Luke from Tiller Parts Plus. Today we have a 2013 Hyundai ix35 stock number 6172. This ran from the 6th 2013 to the 1st 2016. It has a G4NC 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4NC 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 17-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Left front guard, no dents. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear 17-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right rear 17-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right front door mirror. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light with sunglass holder. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.